Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're out in the driveway. We're going to slam the Tesla today. Since it has air ride from the factory, this is a Model S Plaid. You can go into the service menu and you can slam this, lower the airbags all the way. So I'm going to show you how to do that here real quick, and we'll show you a video of it lowering and everything, so stick with us. Okay guys, so this is a great way to slam your car if you're going to a car show. I don't recommend driving around like this, but we're going to go into the main menu here for software and service. So the first one we're going to do is service. We're going to go down to jack mode. And so what jack mode will do is it'll make it so you can jack the car up and it won't try to auto adjust the suspension. So we're doing that first. And then now we're going to go back to software, and where it has the model name, you're going to hold that down. Takes about 10 seconds or so, and then it'll come up with the please enter access code. So right here you're going to type service and OK. It's going to give you all the warnings there. You can go ahead and hit enter. When I cancel, I don't want to go to work today. So the next thing we're going to do is go into the chassis here, and then into suspension. And so you can see that the jack mode is leveling disabled. It's already on. You could do that from in here, but we already did it. And now we're going to go up here to where it says service. And to get it to the service mode, to let you adjust things, you have to hold the right turn signal and the brake at the same time. Tells you how long to hold it. It's like 8 seconds. Okay, and basically what it's telling you now is that you have 90 minutes basically to make changes inside the service menu. So we're going to hit X here, and now you go up to this one, hit service, and you're going to go to where it says deflate all, and then you'll do a run, and you will start to hear and see the car lower all the way down. As you can see, it takes about a minute, a little over a minute. It'll say routine passed. You can hit close. Now, if you want it to stay this way for your car show, then you'll just go down here and exit. You gotta go up here. Exit service mode. You have to hold it. So now you're exited out of service mode, and the car is locked in that lower stance. So let's go check it out. There you go, guys. It is all the way down, and I don't have lowering links or anything, so this is just as low as it will go with the airbags completely deflated, and it is basically touching the ground. That front bumper is super low, way tucked up in the fender there. Nice little party trick to be able to do if you're wanting to have it looking low at the car show. All right guys, before you drive, the next step, you're going to want to go back into service, turn off jack mode, and we're going to go to software. We're going to hold it, go back into the service menu. Service. enter. Back to our chassis, suspension, and we need to take that out. We need to go back to normal. So we got to do our right hand brake again. Got our 90 minutes. Go back to normal. So it is gonna start jacking everything back up. You can hear, I don't know if you guys can hear it, but I can hear it. The air pumps are on. Pumping everything back up. And you're just getting that message because we left it low. So it thought that it wasn't at the right height, so don't have to worry about that message. Alright, then we'll just exit out. Back to there, exit service, hold. And now we're back to our regular ride height, guys. So, that's all there is to it. Alright guys, just a quick little video how to deflate the airbags for you on your Model S Plaid or Model X Plaid. So if you guys have any questions for me, please leave them down below. But thanks for tuning in. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Stay tuned for our next video. Have a good one.